Before we hop into this, just fair warning, I was in a rush to get this done. There's a lot of half-assed shit. We'll get over it, we'll look at it, we'll do better. I'm gonna start tearing this thing down. Other than that, there's gonna be a multiple part series. I wanna do it right. It may take a little while. It may be 2 weeks or so. We'll see. You guys will be with me every step of the way. But we are working on the small block S10. I built it a couple years ago with intentions of getting it running, tearing it back down, and doing everything right. Here it is 2 years later. Haven't done anything with it but drive it. So there are some things that are broken. There's some things that need fixed. There's some things that need finished up, buttoned up, finalized. So let's just dig on in. So let's get this thing jacked up, drain the oil, get the coolant out of it, and we'll go from there. So I got the oil out, and I'm not sure, this might be hard to see. I'm not sure it's supposed to look like that. yeah, it's been a couple of days, a couple of weeks actually. Took vacation and stuff. We're jumping back on the S10 today. I've already disconnected the transmission mount. Exhaust is all disconnected from the manifolds. Yeah, we'll be getting into it. I got everything covered up. Here, let me switch you around. So I got everything covered up, you know, holes plugged. Like I said, it's been a couple of weeks. We'll go under here, look at some things. Probably kind of hard to see, but there's my lovely flex pipe that I've just left in there. There's the clutch line. We'll go over that when we get there. There's the other end of it. Transmission is held up by jack. Transmission mount is out. If you see my little janky mount extension there, we're going to be redoing that. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, other than all that good stuff, motor's ready to come out, trans is ready to come out. I'm going to pull it out all at once. Yeah, here we go.
it off of it. Then we put it on the end of the stand. Oh, you drained the fluid out of the tranny too.
Just now. Just now.
Old Thomas, he went and bought a new truck.
That's what you said.
It's like a charcoal gray. And it's all blacked out, black wheels, bumpers are black, door handles black, it did all that. It's got running boards on. Came with that, I already had a Tahoe cover, one of them like you got in your truck. They even did the rhino lining in, the sprayed that all in there and all that.
Nice.
Hell, that tailgate folds down about twice where you can step on it. I know the GMC showed it, but I didn't know Chevy. I didn't for sure if they was doing it, you know. But yeah.
So engine's out. Kind of fought it for a little bit. Didn't take as much stuff out as I normally do, just because it's hard to get to in the truck. Other than that, there's the motor. I went ahead and stripped down accessories off camera just to make room. I went ahead and painted this. It looked like shit, all rusty. Not real worried about any of this stuff. It'll all be covered and whatnot. I will be taking the intake off. We're gonna strip it, get it back to aluminum. Yeah, painted it a while ago, not real happy with it. Had some coolant leak in, which took some paint off. Yeah. So, we ended up having to take that loose. Exhaust is just hanging. There's my crappy flex tube again. There's an exhaust leak. Zoom in there for you. Nice exhaust leak. I thought it kind of ticked a little bit when driving. Needless to say, that's probably where it came from. There's my notch that I cut out previous. So the notch there in the cross member, I'm going to end up redoing it as well as the trans cross member. Other than that, I think that's this video. Next video will probably get going, maybe tear the motor down a little bit just to make sure everything's good before I go ahead and put it back in. If I have some extra money laying around, I might get a big cam to put in it. Would be real fun. Other than that, see you on the next one.